So in July, I woke up and decided that I wanted to have coffee and convinced my husband to ride downtown on our bikes. And 9:30 in the morning, downtown Des Moines, I was struck by a drunk driver. And immediately was rushed into surgery for some injuries to my arm and my leg. And was in the hospital for about 4 days. It was very confusing and overwhelming. And we knew, based on how the accident happened, that we would probably need some kind of outside counsel. And so my husband looked at some attorneys and we interviewed some. Jeff Goodman had come as a referral as a fellow cyclist and a friend of my husband's who had also retained Jeff's services for an auto bike accident. And we met with Jeff and decided that he was a perfect fit for everything that we were going through, all of the overwhelming pieces that happen when you get hurt, and it feels like everything's coming at you at once. And I felt like Jeff was the perfect person to just help us keep all of that sorted. It was wonderful working with Jeff and his staff. I love Brenda, Emily, I love Becky, I love them all. Jeff was so great in keeping me in the loop on everything that was happening. He would call me out of the blue all the time. At first I was really surprised that we got that level of attention, but it seemed like over time that's just how he operated, and he just wanted to make sure that we were in step and that we understood what was happening and that it was always our decision. We've become friends, and I just love working with him. I'm happy it's over, but I will miss the office and the staff and everyone. I would absolutely refer Jeff Goodman and his entire team to anyone who had an issue that was his area of expertise. He knows his work. He is very well connected. He thinks about the case from a very unique perspective and not just run of the mill. If we ever have any kind of issue, we will always talk to Jeff or ask questions. Even outside of this, I think I would consult with him on other items.